In front of me is OUKITEL WP50 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by launching Settings and clicking on Connected Devices. Then you need to hit Bluetooth. Tap on this switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!